Hello, I'm Naomi and today I'm going to be planting some Camassias. Camassias are lovely in late spring, early summer, and they flower with lovely tall flower spikes with beautiful starry flowers on. They're very slender and they're absolutely perfect for growing in a long grass meadow type area. They can also be grown in borders as well, but they like really moisture retentive soil for best results. So I'm choosing to plant them in this sort of wild grass area. The best time to plant them is November, and they'll flower the following year. I've got Camassia 𝗱𝗲𝗀𝗲𝗀𝗲 here, and I'm going to plant them here in the dapple shade of a tree, which is ideal, although they also quite like full sun too, as long as the soil doesn't dry out. I'm going to plant them in little groups, but you can just dot them around if you've got a meadow area. And over the years, if they're happy in their situation, they will multiply and naturalise, and you'll end up with more and more, and it'll look really natural and pretty. I've already dug a couple of holes here. They need to be planted at about 3 times the depth of the bulb, which is probably around about the same depth as a trowel. So I'm going to made a couple of holes here to plant them in. I'll just pop them in there. They've got a pointy side sometimes with a shoot already coming out, and a rounded side with roots at the bottom. So I just position those in the hole, one per hole, and cover them back over. Planting in autumn is perfect for these. There's plenty of moisture in the soil. You don't need to water them in or anything like that. You simply just put them in the ground and leave them to get on with it. And I've just got one more there. There we go. Now these are fully hardy, so they don't need any protection over winter. That's really all there is to it. You just leave them now and wait for next spring, early summer, and you'll have a lovely display of pretty white flowers. Thanks for watching my video.